What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
Hi guys, so I'm back with another video on Tellurian Inc. Stock has had a roller coaster of a month. At one point we were trading around the $4.20 mark, and now of course we're trading below $3. The high of $4.20 was due to the amazing Shell deal, and the latest public offering is what caused the price to fall below $3. Now, accumulation under $3 could turn out to be a genius move, or it could turn out to be a huge error in judgment. I personally feel that accumulation under $3 is literally a gift, which is why I keep buying on the dips. I can of course be wrong here, and although historical performance is no indication of future performance in the stock market, but I had the same feeling when I invested in NEO when it was trading at around $6, Palantir when it was trading at around $10, and when BNGO was trading around 70 cents. I feel the same way about Tellurian Inc. as I did with BNGO, Palantir and NEO, which is why Tellurian Inc. makes up about 10% of my portfolio. Now, Charif Souki recently just posted another update video on Tellurian Inc.'s YouTube channel. In this video, he talks about the market fundamentals of LNG, which remain great. It's also worth noting that Charif Souki specifically mentioned that Tellurian Inc.'s management team had a week-long catch-up in a remote location. This is quite interesting, and although speculation, it does mean that things are probably going to plan. You would not take a whole week off if the business plan was going to the gutter. So the fact that they had the bandwidth to take a week off is interesting to me, and I take that as a positive sign. Tellurian now has sufficient offtake agreements in place to support the first phase of up to 27.6 million MT-year liquefaction project. But of course, Tellurian still must obtain financing for construction of the terminal. One component of those discussions is Tellurian securing enough drilling reserves to support its plan to produce the gas to feed the facility. This is what Charif Souki said recently. One more thing to do, basically increase our footprint upstream, Souki said in a podcast posted on the company's website. We're in an excellent position to do so. We have plenty of cash, a couple of $100 million on the balance sheet to help do that. Tellurian has said it is targeting to give contractor Bechtel a notice to proceed with full construction of the LNG terminal by the end of next year's first quarter. Another really important point that Charif Souki raised was that renewables alone will not be able to meet our energy demands on a global basis. And it's not only Charif Souki that's saying this is a well-known fact. The world will need to increase its energy supply by 160%, and the only way to do that in a sustainable and environmentally friendly way would be to use LNG. Because LNG is by far the least polluting hydrocarbon out there. And the world knows this, which is why we're seeing an increase in gas prices on a global basis. The world needs LNG, it's clear to see that, and it makes sense to invest in a company that's spearheaded by the guy who started it all, Charif Souki. It's not going to be an easy road, and yes, you may lose your investment here, but if you're willing to take the gamble now, then the rewards could be astronomical later on. For me, the risk I'm willing to take is 10% of my portfolio, but everyone has their own risk tolerance, so only invest what you're comfortable losing. Anyways, that's it for today's video. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.